What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carbon Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are gonna go get the vibrant resonator put on the G35. I'm really excited about this. As y'all know, I have a G37 with the vibrant resonator and muffler delete with, like, you know, with an intake, and this one has a somewhat intake, and it also has a muffler delete. So I'm kind of curious to see how different this would sound. For all the people who follow me for the G35 build, maybe you guys are interested how the way this sounds too, because it does sound good on the G37. So I wonder if it's gonna sound good on this car. So we're gonna go find out. All right, y'all, made it to the shop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the resonators, man. I mean, install the resonator. He only said $85, which is cool. So go ahead and get it done right now. So buy the resonator right there and install it on the G35. So we're gonna see how it sounds. Stop one right there. Get ready to take that one off. See if it makes a difference. I think that'll make a difference, a big difference.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
Okay. Sound like the 37 now. Let's go. She sound way better.
You sold it? Todd, you sold it? Yeah. Good for you. But now we go spend the money.
I'm not even gonna hold y'all. No cap. This sounds good. Let me start it up for y'all. You hear more of that popping too? Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Finna get ready to tear some streets up. G35. Kind of sounded like the G37. That's crazy. Wow. Sounded just like Big Bro. Or actually, sounded just like Baby Bro. My bad. Dang. This one pops a lot more though than the other one. It pops a lot more. But y'all gotta stay tuned to the content, man. Y'all already know I do POV drives where I hook the camera, you know, on the outside so y'all can really hear it better. And you know, I'm gonna do a comparison with the G37 and the G35, see which one sounds better. So this is gonna be dope, man. Y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. I got a lot of stuff coming up. Man, I'm glad I did this. It's kind of unexpected too. I said, you know what? I just throw that vibrant resonator on. Ooh. And then it gets quiet, you know, just how like the G, like just like the G37, like, you know, you're gonna hear it, and then it's gonna, you feel me, kind of quiet itself out. That's what I like. Let me know in the comments, man, how y'all liking it? How y'all liking it so far? Sound good? I gotta do some more pulls though, for sure. It got that stutter to it. Sounds good. Y'all hear them pops, bro? I'm trying to tell y'all, man, this thing go crazy. took out that drone too. Oh yeah, it's less droney too. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is way better. Way better. Alright, y'all. Now we can finish this video. Man, I love how this car just be popping. For real. Sounds like a good. Let's get this gap in. Show y'all. Baby cool. Man, it sounds just like the G37 now. It's hard to say which one is louder though, so I guess we'll figure that out when we if I get both of the cars together. Sounds good though. Sure. Let me know in the comments and let me know how you guys like the vibrant resonator on the G35. In the video, does it sound like a big difference from the muffler delete? Definitely a bigger difference in person. Sounds a lot crispier, if you get what I'm saying. Like, it gives it more of a aggressive tone, and it's a tad, and it is a little bit louder. It is a little bit louder than it once was before. But did I feel any horsepower gain? No, I don't like feel no horsepower gain. Dual pull. Horsepower gain. It still feels the same. Still feel like, you know, I got that power. But hey, I don't know. I maybe could have gained a horsepower too. I don't know. But it sounds really good, y'all. It sounds really good. I really like the vibrant resonator. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually glad that, you know, I did my research on it, and you know, I had got it. Now, when I had got the G37, when I had bought those, I did not know. I didn't know what to expect from these vibrant resonators. I didn't know if it was gonna sound good or it was gonna sound bad, it was gonna be too loud or was it gonna be too quiet. But they're just perfect, you know what I'm saying? Just perfect. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a big, huge like. Also comment and let me know how you guys like the vibrant resonator setup. And also, like I said, ooh, it was just popping right there. Sounded heck of good. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do the G37 and I'm gonna do the G35 comparison video. Also, I'm gonna do a POV drive in this video, and then I want to do both cars. I want to do an outside POV drive where someone just had a camera and I'm just like doing flybys and stuff. So I want to do that with both of the cars. So in due time, y'all work with me, and we're gonna get it done. But I'll catch y'all in the next video.